How to fix the search bar not working in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when you can't type into the search bar. First, right-click on the Start menu. After that, click on Task Manager. From there, click on the Processes tab. At this point, look for Windows Explorer in the list. In the next step, right-click on it. Following this, select Restart. Once done, wait a few seconds for your taskbar and desktop to refresh. From here, click on the search bar again to check if typing works now. At this stage, if the issue continues, right-click on the Start menu and open Windows Terminal as administrator instead. Keep in mind, type the command PowerShell-command get-apexpackage-all users for each add apex package-disable development mode-register $s$.install location /apexmanifest.xml and press enter, since this re-registers system apps, including search. After this, wait for the command to finish running completely. Finally, restart your computer once the command finishes, then test the search bar again to confirm typing now works. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the search bar not working in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.